Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So by the time I post this video, it should be my birthday or a day after. I'm not sure when I'm going to post it, but because I'm going to be out of the country. So I wanted to make a cute little birthday cake, kind of like a decorative birthday cake, but I didn't want to pay for it because it was too expensive. So I decided, why not make one of my own? I was gonna do the drunken birthday cake, like have a dollop top with some alcohol, some fake alcohol, and like some fake flowers. But then I was like, now I have some leftover money that I still haven't used yet. So I was like, why not use that? So you're gonna need some money, some foam. I got the set of foam from Amazon. I think it was like $10. Need some scissors, need some glitter, and then whatever thing called to like keep the glitter together. And you're gonna need a Barbie doll. I got a Barbie doll from Walmart actually. So yeah. Oh, did I tell you guys gonna need the scissors? Oh, and you need your hot glue gun, or you can use your E60 glue or whatever type of glue that you have available. So the first step is to put, what is the name of that? Well, you guys should have saw it when I put it close up to the camera. I don't remember. It's probably like mud, whatever. So I'm putting a little bit in a little container, and all I'm going to do is get a paintbrush, and just put it all over the foam, the rectangle foam or triangle foam. Not triangle. What am I talking about? The square foam, just spread all over it so that when I add the glitter on it, it can stay. And yeah. So what I recommend is do a little bit, like do the top first and add the glitter, then just leave it overnight for it to dry. Then the next day, turn it over, do the side, let it dry, then turn it over, do the other side, because if it's not dry and then you move it, the glitter is going to fall down and the glue will also fall down. So it's best to just let it do its thing. So I think it took 2 days because I did a little bit of the side, then just let it dry. So yeah. So that is what I'm doing at this moment in time. That was a bad idea to paint it at the side because I already did the front. But you live, you learn, you make mistakes. Oh, these glitters, go glitter, I got from Walmart. I got it a while back ago, so I don't know the name of it or anything like that. Just look up glitter. Any type of glitter. You can find it anywhere. Best thing about these is that I always reuse it. So whatever is left over on the cardboard box, I just put it back in there and then use it again on the rest of it. So yeah. I don't shake it off or anything. I just let it stay like that. And then in the morning, I shake it off. Just to make sure that everything gets dazzled up. So yeah. That's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just doing the other one, and then the other one after that, the other one after that, the other one after that. You see it just how it looks? It looks good. I started to touch the side because I was going to do the other one, and then the glitter started falling off. So that's why I said just leave it, let it dry before you touch it again, because you keep on going over and over, back over again if you keep trying to like dazzle it up. Oh, and another thing is you can do a second layer if you want for like some extra thickness in glitter so that it can be shining more, but I'm sorry, I was just way too lazy to do that, so I only did one coat in all. So everything got one coat. So yeah. So the next step is to actually glue the bottom part of it and just stick it on there like a cake. I decided to glue it because that would be way easier, and since I have a ton of glue, so that is what I am doing right here. Just add a little hot glue. Oh, the glue does melt it because it's foam, so you gotta be quick with it. Just add it on, press it down, and you should be good. Remember, since it's hot glue, it doesn't take long for it to dry. So like 5 seconds tops, you should be good. So just be careful, because if you lift it back up, trying to even it out, then it's gonna lift up the glitter and it's just gonna look a whole mess. You can actually tear it. So this is the fake money. So all I'm gonna do is just roll it up, just like this, like what I'm doing right here. Just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And then at the end of it, I'm just gonna add some glue so that it can hold it together for when I'm ready to stick it onto the glitter cake. So yeah, see, all I gotta do just like that. I'm just making sure that it looks good. So for the next 10,587 years, this is what we're gonna be doing. Because remember, you're gonna need the money to go all the way around the cake. So like all the way around, so that's gonna take a while. So I have this little bathroom that I got. I end up adding it onto the cake and it looks so good. And I got this 21st and legal, I think from Walmart. It's a birthday topper. Yeah. And the fake alcohol, the little alcohol that I showed you guys in the very beginning, I think I got it. Yeah, I definitely got it at Amazon with the doll and the fake toilet. So yeah. Ding a bell, ding. Why do I keep singing Christmas songs? So yeah, we're gonna be rolling. I should have counted how much it actually takes to fill up the whole cake. I didn't do that. Oh, by the way, just to mention, I double it up. So when I roll up the money, I roll it back. When I roll up the money and then I glue it onto the cake, I actually add in a little bit of extra money. So I just roll up some more and then add it like inside of the money, so that you can see like two money sticking out. Two $20 bills sticking out. You guys want to see how it look at the end, like what I'm talking about? Because I don't really think I explained it that well. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Rolling on the river. Rolling on the river. Yeah, this part is very boring. I think you guys get the idea, so I'm just gonna cut it right here, so you guys don't be watching the same thing over and over again. Okay, so I think this is the third step. We already glittered the cake, we already rolled up the money. So the next step is to actually add a little bit of glue onto the money or onto the cake, and then just stick it on there. And just like that, magic. Make sure you stick it close together. You can just do whatever you want to do, but stick it close together, or you can glue on the side of the money and then onto the cake so it could be foil together. I end up doing it both ways, so I think adding the glue onto the cake will work so much better, so that you can know how much glue that you're using, and you can press down the money onto the cake so that there's no space in between. So yeah, this is what I am doing. Just rolling, gluing, just gluing on the money. Oh, I end up pressing it down with my hand just so that it can stay flat, because it was sticking out way too much. I pressed down on that one way too much. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the glue was sticking onto it and that the glue wasn't lifting up. So yeah, you're gonna got to do that too. This is how the second layer look. And this is how it looks when it's all finished. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So the fourth step or fifth step is to actually add on some ribbons and to add on the 21st, the birthday topper. So I was just going to stick it in there like that with the thing. But it actually started ripping the foam. Like it was tearing the foam while I was trying to like push it down together. So I was like, no, that is just not gonna work. So I decided to just break off it, which that one already broken off. So just break it off, add some hot glue all over so that it can just be stick on there, and then just use your hand, hold it up, and then wait for it to dry. And then when it's dry, you're going to add some glue at the front of it so it can hold up on the front because it's shaking right now. So add some glue at the front and add some glue at the back of it. And to cover up the glue, I decided to take some of the money, some fake money dust, cut it straight down the middle, glue it on there so that you don't see it. And then I'm going to add some fake roses. That's the reason why I add some fake roses, because I wanted to cover up the glue so you guys wouldn't be able to see it. I know I didn't show that step, but just add some fake rose on the sides of it. And I got the fake rose from Amazon as well. So this is the final step. All you're going to do is just cut a little piece of the ribbon and then just make a cute little bow. My bows are not going to be cute. I'm telling you this from now. I tried my very best, but it just was not working out how I wanted it to. So in the end, it just looked like that one looks okay. But the rest of them, I can tell you this from now, they do not look like that. Not even close. Not even. You see, that's what I was talking about. I'm going to cut the money straight down the middle, glue it on, and then add some fake roses, some red ones. I didn't have any pink ones, so I had to use what was available to me. And this is how it turned out. I actually glued on the Barbie doll on top of it because it kept on falling off. So that's how I was able for it to be sticking up just like that. And this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll give this like a 6 out of 10. I really hate how the bows turned out, like the little tie at the front. But other than that, I am not disappointed. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Make sure you guys subscribe.